Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So we are outside of Walmart to do another weekly essentials bonus from Ibotta, which I'm super excited about. I was checking this morning to see if I got it, and I did. This time it is $5 when you do 15 rebates. So a little bit different than it was last time. A few more rebates, but that's okay. I put together my list and my printer is finally up and running and working, so I'm really excited about that. So we have 7 freebies that I'm gonna share with you guys today. Couple paper coupons we're gonna be using, a couple coupons from different websites, so of course I will go over all the details you need. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, take a second, hit that subscribe button. When I hit 10,000 subscribers, I am gonna be doing multiple giveaways. I decided it'll be more fun to have a couple different people win, so stay tuned on my channel. Of course, I will let you guys know all the different details and what you guys are going to be winning. Also, posted amazing deals at Walgreens and CVS. So it's Monday. Typically I do Walgreens today, but there was an amazing digital booster that was expiring on Sunday. So I did it on Sunday, and then of course I did my CVS haul on Sunday as well. Riley is with me, so she was excited. She wanted to go get some toys, and I promised her I would get her some cookies today. So she's with me as well, gotta teach her to coupon early. If you guys have any questions, of course, just drop a comment. Let me know what bonuses you guys got. If it was 15 rebates, some people got 9 rebates, some people got 12 rebates, just depends on your account. If you're not signed up for Ibotta yet, here is my referral code. Definitely you're gonna wanna get this app downloaded. It's super easy to use. If you don't know how to use Ibotta and you're new, once you sign up, use that code, click the video above. I will try to list it in the description box as well if you guys want to watch that. Shows you how to use the Ibotta app and how you can take advantage of all of these different rebates and bonuses. So let's go ahead, go inside and take advantage of all these deals. Okay, our first deal is going to be on these tasty cakes here. They are $1.28. You're going to submit it to Ibotta for 75 cents back and Saving Star for 55 cents back. So final cost is going to be completely free. If you still have the checkout 51, then that would give you a moneymaker. Mine shows 0 left available. Okay, this is our second freebie for today. So the new family size cinnamon Cheerios are $3.64. No coupons or anything. Ibotta is gonna give us back $3.64, makes it completely free for this huge thing of cereal, which I'm really excited to give it a shot. Okay, so it wouldn't be an Ibotta haul if I didn't stop and get yogurt. So the wheat yogurt, the individuals, or there's a separate rebate on the like multi-packs, but these are $1.26. Ibotta is gonna give us back 65 cents. So final cost is 65 cents. So not a bad deal for some yogurt. Okay, so the next item we're gonna grab, it has to be the 24 count of the Gogurt. They are, if you can see with the glare, they are $5.94. We have this $1 off coupon. I believe it'll work, 16 count or larger, and these are 24 count. I will list in the description box what insert it comes from. So we'll pay $4.94, then Ibotta's gonna give us back $3. Final cost will be just $1.94 for a 24 pack, which is awesome because even the smaller packs over here are more expensive than $1.94. So I'm really excited about getting this deal. The next rebate we're gonna do again is gonna be on these Pringles Wavy. Ever since I got these sweet and spicy barbecue, my boyfriend loves them, so we're gonna do the deal again. So they are $1.44. This time Ibotta's gonna give us back 45 cents. So final cost for these is gonna be just 99 cents. No coupons or anything needed for this deal. The next deal that I was going to do, but I totally looked up the wrong product. It's on the Dixie to-go cups. I thought these were included, but they're not the to-go cups. They're just like everyday cups. So if we got those, it would have been a freebie, but again, those are not included. So you'd have to get these, which are $6.58. You can print this 75 cent off one coupon from Dixie Plates or Dixie.com, something like that. And then Ibotta's gonna give us back $1.75, but that's definitely not cheap enough for me to grab this, so I'm gonna pass on this deal. The next deal we're gonna go and do is in the produce aisle. It is gonna be on these fresh market salsas. Now make sure you always scan your items before you check out to make sure you're getting the right one and the right type that's gonna work for the rebate. So these, it says any variety, any type, these don't work. The only ones that work is the hot for the restaurant style. I'm getting it for my boyfriend anyways. He likes hot, so it's no big deal. They're $2.98. Ibotta's gonna give us back $1. Final cost is just $1.98. So not a bad deal, but that is why it's important to scan with Ibotta before you buy. The next deal we're gonna do is gonna be on these new Schick Extreme razors for men. They are $5.97. On coupons.com, you can print this $3 coupon. We're gonna pay $2.97. Then Ibotta's gonna give us back $2. Final cost will be just 97 cents to give this new product a try. Definitely a great deal for you guys if you're wanting to try some new razors. The next deal we're gonna do is gonna be more men's razors. We're gonna get this Schick Hydro Sense 5. They are $8.54 at this store. So we're gonna add this to the cart. We are gonna use this $4 coupon, also printable from coupons.com. We'll pay $4.54. Then Ibotta's gonna give us back $3. Final cost is just $1.54. Okay, another great deal in the shave aisle is gonna be on the Edge Shave Gel. So they're $2.97. Again, coupons.com, completely free to get this printed. This will take off $1. We will pay $1.97. Then Ibotta will give us back 75 cents, so not a bad deal. And now for the women, we have a nice moneymaker deal on these Bic Soleil Sensitive. They are $5.97. From the 510 Smart Source insert, we have a $3 coupon. We are gonna pay just $2.97. Then we're gonna submit it to Saving Star, get back $4. Final cost is a nice freebie and $1.03 moneymaker on this one. Another women's shave item we're gonna grab is gonna be these Skintimate razors. Has to be the 4-blade. These 3-blade do not work. So they're $5.97. Excuse my coupon, Riley just ripped it. It is a $3 off coupon from the 510 Smart Source, I believe. Will be listed in the printable breakdown. We will pay $2.97. Ibotta will give us back $2. Final cost on this as well is just 97 cents for 4-pack of razors. So definitely a great deal. The next deal is in the toothpaste aisle. We are gonna pick up this Aquafresh right here. It is just $1.67. I already scanned it. It does work for this rebate. Ibotta's gonna give us back $1. Final cost is just 67 cents. The next deal is right by the cash registers. It is gonna be on the Trident. This one is my favorite, so I'm gonna grab this one. They are 88 cents each. Ibotta is gonna give us back $1.12 when you buy 2. So final cost is, I believe, like 34 cents per pack of gum. So definitely a great deal. This is my favorite gum. It reminds me of my grandma. She always used to have spearmint gum in her car. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my cart. Another deal we're gonna get is gonna be these flips. They are white fudge covered pretzels. They're $1.97. Ibotta's gonna give us back 75 cents. Final cost is just $1.25 or 24, something like that. The next deal we are gonna do, because I forgot my coupon for the individual ones, the multi-packs are $2.74. So I'm gonna scan it. I'm probably gonna try to get this one or this one. Then you are going to get $1 back with Ibotta. Final cost is $1.74 for the 3-pack. So pretty good deal on that. There were some amazing deals at CVS and Walgreens that I've been posting about getting the little ones when they're on sale for 89 cents and submitting it to Ibotta for $2 back when you buy 5. So that's another option for you. Okay, so a couple of the other freebies, they don't have them at this store, unfortunately. There was a Dang bar and a Kai's bar, and they don't have them at my store. So last thing we're gonna pick up is gonna be this Perfect bar. It is $1.98. Ibotta is gonna give us back 50 cents. Final cost is $1.48. So that should finalize everything. We are gonna go check out, see how everything goes. I will wrap it up in the car and let you know my final numbers. Just have to do some quick calculations because we did have to change quite a few deals today. Here is a great Shopkick deal. So at Walmart, these Febreze ones are $8.94. There were still $2 printables from coupons.com. You would pay $6.94 out of pocket. Then you can submit your receipt to Shopkick, get back 600 kicks. Every 250 kicks is $1, so it's about $2.40, I believe. So final cost is gonna be, trying to do the math in my head, 765, like $4.50 or something like that. $4.44, I believe. So not a bad deal if you're needing to stock up on some trash bags. Okay, so this is my total. I do the self-checkout. Hold on. Then we are just gonna scan our coupons right here, just like we're scanning anything else. But this is our total before coupons. Okay, so as we scan them, it's gonna take them off and just tell you to set the coupons aside. At the end, it'll tell you to insert them, and you're gonna insert them right here. That's gonna light up, and that's where you would put your coupons. So just in case you guys didn't know how you can do coupons at the self-checkout. Love watching this total go down. Okay, one of them didn't work, so we'll have to see which one that was.
Set items aside and continue with purchasing.
That one didn't work either. So if there are any issues, of course, the cashier can always help you. Okay, so we're back in the car from Walmart. Had a slight issue at checkout. One of the coupons wasn't working on that Schick Extreme 5 for some reason, even though it said Schick Extreme 5 right on that printable coupon from coupons.com. So just be aware of that. Took like 20 minutes for the manager to come all the way over to scan her thing. It was kind of a pain in the butt, but it happens, especially with new products. Maybe they didn't have it aligned with the new barcode or something like that. But Ibotta did catch every single rebate that I had. I didn't have to add anything to the receipt or scan any barcodes separately or anything like that, which is always really nice. Riley saying hi. We got back the $5 for the bonus. I hit level 1 bonus as well, which was another 50 cents back. So these are the numbers from what I calculated really quick in the truck. Everything will be listed in the printable breakdown, of course, as well in the description box. So total out of pocket after all of the coupons was about $42.59 before taxes. I did buy her a toy that was $1.50 as well, so just keep that in mind. Then Ibotta gave me back $21.65 plus the $5 bonus plus the 50-cent bonus. So final cost, oh, and Saving Star, I got back $4 for that big razor and 55 cents for that Tasty Cakes chocolate swirl thing. So final cost for all the items we got today was $10.89. And we got, what, 16 different items? So less than $1 per item. Definitely a great haul, and I'm very, very happy about that. Let me know if there's any other great rebates that you guys are taking advantage of that are available on Ibotta. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time.
Bye.